morning, my dear students. Let's start today's session with the pairs of angles. In last video also we have learned what are pairs of angles, and in that we have seen three pairs of angles. That one is linear pair, vertically opposite angle, and adjacent pair. Now, taking consideration in that only, now we will move further. Now see, yesterday I told you one linear pair, right? What is linear pair? I told you that if a line falls, if a line stands on a straight line, then the angles formed are called as a linear pair, and sum of these two angles is always 180 degree, means they are and supplementary. Sum of these two angles is equals to what? Supplementary, that is 180 degree. That was the linear pair axiom we have seen. Now see, in our book it is given axiom number 1. Axiom 1. Now what are axioms? Axioms are the universal truth which are not to be proved. ठीक है, जो यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ होते हैं, जैसा कि the halves of the equals are always equals. Halves of the equals are always equal. जैसा कि दो चीजें हैं जो ऑलरेडी इक्वल है, जैसा कि I have taken that these two chalks are there. These two chalks are equal to each other. अगर मैंने इन दोनों के हाफ बना दिए तो वो भी कैसे रहेंगे? एक में को इक्वल ही रहेंगे. ठीक है, तो ये स्टेटमेंट को प्रूव करने की जरूरत नहीं है. So such statements are called as axioms. They are also called as postulates. Axioms and postulates. So in that, number 1 that is given to us is this one. If a line stands or falls, if line stands on a straight line, then angles so form are supplementary. Angles so form are supplementary, means sum of that two angle is always 180 degrees. It is given in page number, on the page number 93, axiom number 1. If a ray stands on a line, then the sum of angles, this one and this one, sum of two adjacent angles so form is 180 degree, means supplementary. Okay, so this is the statement that not to be, means this is an axiom. Axiom means I have told you a ray which falls on a straight line. ये रे स्टेटमेंट का भी फॉर्म हो है, स्ट्रेट लाइन फॉर्म हो, तो वहां पे दो एंगल फॉर्म है, ये वाला और ये वाला. ठीक है, तो इन दोनों की सम हाफ कितनी होती है? 180 डिग्री. सो दिस इज अ लीनियर पेयर. ठीक है ना? सो इफ यू गिव द नेम टू इट A, B, C and D, then we can write major angle, which one? ABC plus major angle ABD is equals to 180 degree. This is axiom number 1. We can take the use of axioms to prove the statements, to prove the theorems. Now axiom number 2, that is the converse of this statement only. Axiom number 2, what is that here? degree or forms a linear or are supplementary, then the two क्या बोलेगा अपन इसको, नॉन कॉमन अपोजिट रेज आर ऑलवेज फॉर्म्स अ स्ट्रेट लाइन। ये हम लोग क्या फॉर्म करेंगे, स्ट्रेट लाइन फॉर्म करेंगे। सी एक्शन नंबर 2, इफ द सम ऑफ एडजेसेंट एंगल्स इज 180 डिग्री, यस्टरडे आई टोल्ड यू, अगर दो एडजेसेंट एंगल्स हैं और इनकी सम अगर 180 होती है तो ये जो नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स है, ये कॉमन आर्म है एंड दिस टू आर नॉन कॉमन आर्म, दिस वन एंड दिस वन, ओके, so these forms a straight line or these are exactly opposite of each other. Exactly opposite means they forms a straight line, okay. So axiom number 2 is, if adjacent angles are supplementary, now supplementary means you know, means if the sum is 180 degree, then the non-common arms, forms a straight line, ठीक है। इसका मतलब क्या होता है, अगर एडजेसेंट एंगल्स की सम 180 डिग्री होती है तो ये तीनों पॉइंट्स क्या होते हैं, कोलिनियर, मींस C डैश B डैश D, कोलिनियर मींस these are lies on the same line. So these are the two axioms which we have to use to prove the next pair, that is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles जो है, जो property है that opposite angle, vertically opposite angles are equal, that we have yesterday we have seen, that we have to prove today, and that proof of that theorem we can prove with the help of these statements, right? So these are the axioms I told you, these are always the proven, means these are the universal truth not to be proved, ठीक है, ये इसको प्रूव अपन करेंगे नहीं। My name is dash dash, so whatever your name is there, your name is Ram, your name is Shyam, so that is not to be proved, that why your name is Ram, that are the axioms, that are the not proven statement, means that should not be proven, okay. Now after this, these axioms are very important. These axioms we have to learn, already we have learned in previous classes. Now after this, depending upon these two axioms, we will see now one theorem, that also we have learned was the theorem's statement. What is theorem? If two lines intersect, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. The statement of the theorem, if two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal. If two lines intersects each other, then the pair of vertically opposite angles, are equal, ठीक है। So what is given to us, अगर दो लाइंस इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं तो जो भी वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स फॉर्म होंगे वो ऑलवेज क्या होते हैं, इक्वल। सपोज दिस इज लाइन AB and this is line CD if they are intersecting at point O। ठीक है, तो अपने को दिया गया है ऑलरेडी that if two lines intersect each other, that is given to us। तो थ्योरम लिखते वक्त सबसे पहले क्या लिखना है अपने को, जो अपने को दिया है वो। तो what is given to us, if two lines intersect each other, तो line AB intersects line which one, AB किसको इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है, CD at which point it is intersecting, at point O। now after given we will write what we have to prove, means to prove अपने को exactly prove क्या करना है, then the pair of vertically opposite angles are equal। कौन से vertically opposite angles, तो angle AOC is equals to angle BOD। ये एक पेयर हुई। दूसरी पेयर कौन सी है, also angle AOD is equals to angle which one, AOD is equals to vertical angle COB, right? So this we have to prove। now our proof will start। okay, now what is there in the proof, we can use the axioms। I have told you we can use the axioms to prove the theorems। so axiom बोलती है अपने पास में that if a ray stands on a line then the adjacent angles are always what, supplementary, forms an angle of 180 degree। तो उसका यूज कर रहा हूं मैं, देखो नंबर 1 what, measure angle which one, AOC plus angle, measure angle कौन सा, AOC plus AOD is equals to 180 degree। easier you know what, linear pair is supplementary। ठीक है, उसके बाद में दूसरी एक लीनियर पेयर देखो, कोई भी एक AOC प्लस COB, या तो आप ये लिख सकते हो AOD प्लस DOB, कोई भी लीनियर पेयर देखो। सपोज मैंने लिखा एंगल AOD प्लस एंगल which one, AOD प्लस DOB this also sums how much, 180 degree। so what I can write here, this one linear pair, ठीक है, is supplementary। आप यहाँ पे अलग अलग स्टेटमेंट्स लिख सकते हो, ठीक है। the sum of linear pair is 180 degree like this। now these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2, what you can see here दोनों की सम देखो 180 ही आ रही है, means both of them RHS is same, right hand side is same, as both of them right hand side is same, so their left hand side will also be same। so what we can write here, from equation 1 and from equation 2 both of their left hand side will be equal। so I am writing it here, what are their left hand side, angle AOC plus angle AOD, angle AOC plus angle AOD is equals to angle AOD plus angle DOB। एंगल DOB। ठीक है, इसका रिजल्ट क्या आएगा? फ्रॉम we have written it from 1 and from 2. Okay, now what you are saying here, AOC is equals to AOD, AOC plus AOD is equals to AOD plus DOB. now see AOD are same, ये प्लस में बताने के बाद क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस, और माइनस में आने के बाद दोनों क्या हो जाएंगे? कैंसिल। so we can cancel it here also, AOD get cancel। अब बचा क्या वो लिखो, therefore angle AOC is equals to angle which one? DOB। angle AOC is equals to angle DOB। AOC DOB means we have proved that vertically opposite angles are equal। अब ये वाला प्रूव करेंगे, तो we can write it here, similarly we can also prove, क्या प्रूव कर सकते हैं अपन? that angle which one? AOC BOD को बता दिया, दूसरा बता क्या? AOD, angle AOD is equals to angle which one? COB। okay, hence this proved। समझ में आया? आपको थ्योरम इस सीक्वेंस से ही लिखना है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू राइट द स्टेटमेंट, आफ्टर स्टेटमेंट व्हाट इज गिवन टू यू दैट यू हैव टू राइट टू प्रूव। ठीक है, आपको प्रूव क्या करना है वो आपको लिखना है, देन यू हैव टू स्टार्ट द प्रूफ। ओके, वी हैव टेकन टू लीनियर पेयर में एक कॉमन निकला, पहले तो उनकी राइट हैंड साइड सेम है, तो इफ द राइट हैंड साइड्स आर सेम, तो देयर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड विल आल्सो बी सेम, so we are given their left hand sides are same, in that two equal things are there, so they are on the either side, so they get cancelled। what remains? AOC is equals to DOB, but they are vertically opposite angles, means we have two। ठीक है, for this also we can go similarly, same procedure is there, we can put this one also similarly, so hence understand। so this is the theorem for vertically opposite angles। ठीक है, समझ में आ गया? अब इस पर के क्वेश्चन जो है वो अपन देखेंगे, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 7.1 और 6.1 दिस सी। ये तो तीन चीजें अभी अपन ने लर्न कर ली है। पहली है दैट सम ऑफ लीनियर पेयर इज 180 degree, means if a ray falls on a straight line, then adjacent angles so forms are supplementary। then second one we have seen is that if the what we have seen, if the adjacent angles so forms are supplementary, then the non-common arm forms a straight line, which we have learned। now see 6.1 question number 1 we will see, exercise 6.1 question number 1। what question number 1 says? diagram should always be drawn on the right side। here it is AOB, here it is CD, and here it is E। okay, now see AB and CD intersect at point O। what is given to us? AB and CD intersect at O। again, if number 1 angle AOC D is equals to 40 degree, then to find what we have to find, see, to find angle BOE and reflex angle. Reflex angle which one? COE. So let us find. First of all, let us understand AB and CD intersect at O. Means we can use here linear pair or vertically opposite angles. AOC plus BOE. AOC plus, where is BOE? This one is BOE. मतलब ये वाला और ये वाला, इन दोनों की सम कितनी होती है? 70 डिग्री. BOD is 40 degrees. BOD, this one is 40 degree. यहाँ से लिख लेता हूँ. This one is 40 degree. AOC plus BOE, AOC plus BOE, इसको नहीं लेना, ये नहीं दिया है आपको. And BOD is 180 degree. Now how to find out angle BOE? BOE कैसा find करोगे? So for BOE, see here first, this one is given to us, so you can go for this one. These two are vertically opposite angle, so I can write here solution. What is my first thing? That angle AOC is equals to angle which one? BOD. Reason, दोनों क्यों इक्वल है? वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल. वर्टिकली अपोजिट angles are always equal. ठीक है? Therefore angle AOC is equals to BOD, and BOD is how much? 40 degree. ठीक है? So we got angle AOC. अब AOC plus BOE कितना है? 70 degree. Now we have what? Angle AOC plus angle BOE equals to how much? 70 degree. From where we have taken this? This is data, means this is given to us. In this, AOC is there for us. That is how much? 40 degree. So instead of this, we can write what? 40 degree plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degree. Now send 40 to that side. What will come now? Therefore angle BOE is equals to 70 minus 40. Okay. Now therefore angle BOE is equals to 30 degree. Means we got the measurement of angle BOE. Now let us go for the second thing that has been asked to us, that is reflex angle COE. कहाँ गया COE? इसका रिफ्लेक्स, ये COE एंगल हुआ, इसका रिफ्लेक्स मतलब ये हुआ. This is the reflex angle COE. This will be the sum of COA. आपके पास में AOC है, ध्यान रखना आपने AOC. This is 40. Okay. After that, you know BOE. BOE पता है आपको कितना है? BOE अपना 30 डिग्री. ठीक है? उसके लिए आप ये निकाल ले सकते हो अभी COE. If you get COE from there, linear pair इसकी सम 180 होती है. ठीक है? Then go for it. And you don't know this one, so go for it. What we can do? Angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equals to 180 degree. Reason you know, linear pair. ठीक है? linear pairs is always supplementary. AOC आपको पता है 40 डिग्री प्लस COE पता नहीं है, लेकिन BOE आप COE and it is what is is BOE? BOE is 30 degree is equals to 180 degree. Now 30 plus 40 is 70. Therefore angle COE is equals to 180 degree. 30 plus 40 70 उतर गया. Now therefore angle COE is equals to how much? 110 degree. ये मिल गया COE. आपको क्या चाहिए? Reflex of COE. Okay, so reflex C angle COE is equals to always 360 minus angle COE. क्या आएगा? 360 डिग्री minus angle COE is how much? 110 degree. Now subtract them. ठीक है? It will be how much? 250 degree. Therefore reflex angle COE is equals to how much? 250 degree. So this is how we can find out the required thing which is asked to us. ठीक है? By different methods also you can go. आपको अगर कोई different method पता है so you can go by different methods also. Okay, no matters. The method should be just a legal method. ठीक है? आप अलग-अलग स्टेप यूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है? जस्ट वो लीगल होना चाहिए. ठीक है? तो आपको अगर कुछ नहीं समझा होगा so you can call and you can clarify whatever your doubts are there. Okay? चलो, thank you.